Let me take you back to when I started affiliate marketing. I tried the usual blogs, banners, and emails. However, my revenues were irregular, and I realized I was missing something. The something turned out to be pay-per-call marketing. It represents the missing link between high-quality leads and high-converting offers. If you've ever struggled with being paid for your visitors or desired a more direct, conversion-focused strategy, this article is your answer. What is pay-per-call marketing? Pay-per-call is a performance-based marketing approach in which you receive commissions for each qualified phone call made to a business using your tracking number. You're not paid for clicks or impressions, only for genuine interactions. Instead of sending users to a landing page, direct them to a phone number. This technique works particularly well in areas where phone calls result in more sales, such as insurance, legal services, healthcare, and home renovations. Why pay per call? Problem to story. Traditional affiliate offers demand many user actions, such as clicking on the ad, reading the page, filling out a form, and waiting for a follow-up. Many leads do not convert. But one day I set up a pay-per-call campaign for a local pest control service. I ran Google ads for termite inspection near me, and calls started coming in. I earned $25 for each call, lasting more than 90 seconds. I made $450 in one weekend with less traffic than ever. That's when I realized this model was different. How the pay-per-call system works, a step-step breakdown. 1. Select the industry. Begin with an industry where phone calls are critical to business success: legal, HVAC, addiction recovery, insurance, etc. 2. Join a pay-per-call network. Networks such as RingPartner, Aragon Advertising, and OfferVault connect you to verified deals while providing tracking infrastructure. 3. Get a tracking number. Each campaign is assigned its own phone number that corresponds to your affiliate ID. This number monitors call length and conversion rates. 4. Drive traffic. Use Google Ads, particularly call-only ads, Facebook lead ads, SEO, and even YouTube. Your goal is to entice users to call instead of click. 5. Calls are routed to clients. When someone calls your number, it is directed at the business buyer in real time. 6. You're paid per qualified call. You earn your commission when the call fulfills the client's conditions, such as being 90 seconds long and coming from a number in the United States. Advanced tips for success. A. Use call tracking platforms. Use solutions such as Invoca, Ringba, or CallRail to track calls, improve performance, and route leads based on geolocation or time. B. Hyperlocal targeting. Local calls have a higher conversion rate. Target advertising by zip code, include near me terms, and use Google My Business listings if available. C. Use scripts to improve call quality. A basic voicemail or IVR, interactive voice response script, can help you pre-qualify callers. Example: thank you for calling. If you need termite inspection services, press 1 now. D. Try different ad angles. Consider pain point driven commercials. Worried about mold in your basement? And urgency driven ones. Emergency roof repair, call now. Real world example: imagine an affiliate. He creates a Facebook ad aimed at new homeowners, directing them to a mortgage lender's tracking number. Ad spend $200, qualified calls 18, call payout $40, total revenue $720, net profit $520. He never created a web page or not gather emails. He simply got people to call. Compliance and ethical considerations. Always disclose tracking numbers. Follow the TCPA and FCC guidelines when cold calling or texting. Never deceive users with bogus businesses or scare tactics. Mistakes to avoid: sending unqualified leads. Calls less than 60 seconds yield no reward. Advertising in limited states or periods. Promoting without understanding the client's vertical market. Ignore call records for quality assurance. Quick start checklist. Choose a high converting vertical. Join a recognized network, e.g. RingPartner, OfferVault. Get a tracking number. Launch a traffic campaign, Google Ads recommended. Pre-qualifying calls for quality. 7-day action plan. Day 1, research markets and sign up for 2 networks. Day 2, get approved and browse through offerings. Day 3, select a campaign and acquire tracking numbers. Day 4, create basic Google call only ads. Day 5, monitor call quality and listen to recordings. Day 6, optimize targeting and ad copy. Day 7, expand top performing ad packages. Evaluate your success. Call volume increases over time. Average call duration, earnings per call versus ad spend, recurring conversions or callbacks, tips for correcting common mistakes, ignore call duration constraints, monitor and modify targeted keywords, not reviewing the call tapes, use them to enhance traffic quality. Advertising in limited places. Read the offer terms and conditions carefully. Poor ad messaging. Focus on urgency, clarity, and solution-driven writing. Why should I trust this guide? I'm more than just a content strategist, I'm a practitioner. This guide is based on real-world marketing, affiliate partnerships, and direct response experiences. All ideas were validated with tools such as Ahrefs, Originality, AI, CallRail, and case studies from top pay-per-call networks. Compliance disclaimer. This essay is intended solely for educational purposes. Before initiating any pay-per-call campaign, ensure that you have reviewed local advertising laws, TCPA compliance rules, and affiliate network restrictions. My final thoughts: pay-per-call marketing is more than just a fad. It's a significant untapped revenue stream. If you follow the steps, this system works for students, business owners, and content creators. Do you need help creating your first pay-per-call campaign? Leave a comment or sign up for our newsletter to receive step-by-step instructions.